Welcome to Salar News Sprint. I am Abu Bakr Siddiq. Here are the major updates that made the headlines today. Imran Khan gets another 14 days judicial remand in cyber case. On September 26, Pakistan Special Court extended the judicial remand of former Prime Minister Imran Khan for another 14 days in cyber case. The cyber case is about a diplomatic document that went missing from Imran Khan's possession. It is the third time that Khan, age 70, has been sent to jail on remand. Joint operation leads to arrest of 6 terrorist operatives, including 2 women and a juvenile in Baramulla. In a successful joint operation by the Army and Jammu and Kashmir Police, 6 terrorist operatives, including 2 women and a juvenile, were apprehended in Baramulla district. The arrest, which also resulted in the recovery of arms and ammunition, have prevented a potential terrorist attack and exposed a cross-border arms smuggling network. Over 30 students injured in police lathi charge in Imphal. More than 30 students, mostly girls, were injured on September 27th in Manipur's Imphal Valley, when police fired tear gas shells and baton charged a mob protesting the alleged kidnapping and killing of 2 youths in July. Photographs of 2 teenagers' bodies went viral on social media, which sparked the protest. A tragic rainfall incident claims mother's life, leaves child seriously injured in Bengaluru. In a heartbreaking incident caused by heavy rainfall, a tree branch fell on an electric pole, resulting in the tragic loss of mother's life and leaving a young child seriously injured. The incident occurred at 7th Cross of Wilson Garden in Bengaluru. Tamil Nadu minister hopeful of getting full quantum of water. Amidst the ongoing Kaveri water dispute in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu's water resources minister Duraimurugan said that he is hopeful to realize the full quantum. He said that Tamil Nadu has been receiving water from Karnataka with the current inflow reaching 7,000 cusecs. In the midst of Bengaluru Bandh, the CWRC has recommended Karnataka to release 3,000 cusecs of water at Viligundlu from September 28 to October 15. Massive robbery in South Delhi's jewelry store. Ornaments worth 20 to 25 crores rupees stolen. Thieves executed meticulously planned robbery at Umrao Jewellers in Jaganpur, South Delhi. Disabling CCTV cameras and creating a hole in the strong room, they made off with ornaments worth 20 to 25 crore rupees. The thieves gained access to the building's terrace and targeted the ground floor where strong room was located. Authorities are investigating the incident. GST Council meeting to be held on October 7th. The 52nd meeting of Goods and Service Tax GST Council will be held on October 7th at Vigyan Bhavan in Delhi. It will be chaired by the Union Finance Minister and comprises of state ministers. In its last meeting, the Council approved amendments of GST laws to provide clarity on taxation of casinos, horse racing and online gaming. Asian Games Day 3. India lands historic equestrian gold. India has secured 6th position at the Asian Games with 14 medals, while China is leading in the first position with 70 medals. The equestrian dressage team made a historic record by winning a gold after 41 years. As of day 3, India has 3 golds, 4 silvers and 7 bronze medals. Gautam Gambhir raises concern over Kapil Dev's handcuff video and reveals the truth. After a video of Kapil Dev being handcuffed circulated on social media, Gautam Gambhir expressed worry about his well-being. However, Gambhir later clarified that the video was actually a promo shoot for the upcoming ODI World Cup in India. Dada Saheb Phalke Lifetime Achievement Award to be conferred upon Wahida Rehman. The esteemed Dada Saheb Phalke Lifetime Achievement Award, the highest recognition in Indian cinema, will be bestowed upon veteran actor Wahida Rehman. The announcement was made by Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Anurag Thakur on September 26. For more such latest updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.